Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this Halloween pasta. Now this is a perfect dinner for Halloween. You can start your evening off perfect by making this Halloween pasta. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. Now here's what you need to make this recipe. You need a pasta of your choice. I'm using linguine, but you can use spaghetti or any other kind of pasta you like. You're also going to need some food coloring, and I have 4 different types of food coloring here. I have green, I have orange, I have black, and purple. You don't need gel-based food coloring, but I am using gel-based food coloring for this because I find it just brings out the color a little bit more. You're also going to need some big pot and some water, and you're going to boil your spaghetti. Just make spaghetti the way you would normally make spaghetti. I'm not going to show you. You can figure that part out on your own. Cook it completely, and then we'll come right back. All right, so after you've cooked your spaghetti, normally you would strain your spaghetti after you cook it. We're not going to do that. What we're going to do is divide this up into, well, 3 separate bowls plus the pot. So we'll start off with a large bowl here. I'm just going to divide this up. I'm just going to grab some of our linguine, put in this pot, our bowl. There. And now that we have them divided, I'm going to take some of the water out because we need some of that water in each of these bowls. And you just want enough water to cover up the linguine or your pasta of choice. Next, what we're going to do is add our food coloring to each of these bowls. And I think this will be a good one for purple. So I'm going to add some purple food coloring. Do a couple drops. I'm just going to take a fork and just kind of mix in that purple food coloring. And we're going to let that sit for quite some time to let it soak in that food coloring. And we'll just move on to our next food coloring. Do black. Might need a few drops of black. Now we're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes, just letting it soak in the food colorings. And that's why we use that hot boiling water so it doesn't cool down and get too cold. And then we're going to strain them. So it's been about 10 minutes and we've let our noodles soak in that food coloring. Now we're going to strain them one at a time. I'm going to start with the orange. Next, the purple. It looks pretty good. Then the green. And finally, the black. Now that we've strained it, all we gotta do now is plate this up. So the first one we're gonna plate up is the black. Just take it and we're just gonna get it right in the center there, best we could. There we go. Next, we're gonna go with the purple. Just try to get it right on top there. Then I think we'll do the orange. Now I have a lot of orange. And finally, the green. Now I'm going to kind of just pull through here a little bit, just try to get some of the different colors to show through. especially like the black. Okay, so once you have it all mixed up perfectly the way you want it, next we're gonna add a little bit of sauce to this. This is optional, you can use whatever kind of sauce you want, but I think just regular ragu sauce works fine. We're gonna put it right in the middle. I think a couple meatballs would be perfect. And if you really want to get creative, I have these gummy eyeballs. Now, of course, it wouldn't taste very good, but it's certainly going to look pretty cool for Halloween, having a gummy eyeball on your colorful Halloween spaghetti. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to dig into our pasta here, and I'm just kind of moving the sauce around. You can spread it out. I just kept it all in one place for a good picture. So now I'm just going to get some noodles, some sauce, and eat away. It's good. It's just pasta. It tastes the same. It's just food coloring. That's the only difference in this. And of course the gummy eyeball on here, which I'm not going to eat with the pasta. Gummy just doesn't go well with pasta, I don't think. Oh no! I just made a big mess. So when you're holding your plate and talking, make sure you're holding it level, because if not, bad things happen. Oh no! Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this Halloween pasta. It was a lot of fun making this. You can do it any way you like, whatever colors you like. I just found that these colors are perfect for Halloween. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. You get new videos all the time. For the whole month of October, you'll get a video every single day, a Halloween video. So check back tomorrow for the next video. And if you decide to make this for yourself, please share it with me on any of my social media at FunFoodsYT. And until then, I'll see you tomorrow.